said you didn't remember till the middle of the last video, so now I'm telling you in advance.
Put it in your basket. Yeah, where's Gigi's basket?
Grace.
Go, Gracie. Put the eggs in your basket. Wow. Thank you, Destiny. It's not dirty. No, it's polka dot. Grace's like, I'll take it then.
There's one right there. Look, orange, behind you. Destiny, look right there. On the ground and over there. Pick them up.
Get all the eggs.
Get the pink one.
Get them all. For you.
Yeah,
Wow.
Get the purple. Get the orange. Yeah. Yeah. Get that one over there. Give that one to Gigi.
There's something inside.
Go over there. Get all the rest of the eggs.
Some in the grass.
The grass?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Get the orange one.
Yeah.
Right there, right there. Destiny.
On the chair.
Right there.
Or
The chair. Tennis. It's biting.
Get them
wow.
off the grass.
The grass. It's purple.
Yeah, you can go down there. Daddy's letting you
Go.
go down there right now.
Go. Gigi, you're gonna go?
Look over here.
We set Gigi down in the grass.
It's done. It's done.
Pick up the purple one. Destiny, look over there in the tree. Right there. Right here. Right here, right here. Destiny.
Look at that big pink one.
Destiny. Destiny. Right there.
It's done.
What's that in the tree?
It's that big pink egg.
There's Dora.
It's Dora.
Is that a door?
Dora.
It's really big, huh?
Dora egg.
Yeah.
Dora egg.
Dora egg.
Yeah.
Beside.
Yeah, don't worry about what's inside. Get the rest of the eggs.
It's green. It's green.
There's a yellow one right there. Right there.
Right there.
Right there. On the ground.
Yes.
Gigi, you're not gonna go get any eggs.
And a purple one.
Yeah.
I think she's scared to
Yeah.
walk in the grass.
She is.
Put that in Gigi's basket.
Go get some more by the swing. On the slide.
Over there. Destiny.
By the swing.
Over there on your swings, there's eggs.
Now she's got it.
We'll just put you over here, since you don't like to walk in the grass.
I guess.
Put your Instagram pants on. There's one on the bottom of the swing right there.
Good job. Hello. We got leaves. Think your basket's getting heavy? She's like abandoning it.
Destiny, get your basket. two more. Destiny, there's two right there. The basket is getting heavy. She's carrying it with both hands.
One more.
You got the yellow one right there.
Is it heavy?
It's heavy. It's like...
You got so many eggs. Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4. Nope.
Come up here. You're all done. You found them all. Show mommy.
Wow. Look at all those eggs. Should we go see what's inside?
No.
No. Good job. You got lots of eggs.